And we are cutting across to these latest visuals on our screen right now, coming in of violence in Barakpur, West Bengal, a day ahead of the second phase of the polling. Now, BJP and TMC workers have clashed at Barakpur. The BJP candidate, that is Chandramoni Shukla, and TMC candidate Raj Chakrabarti went to submit their respective nominations at the administrative building in Barakpur. Meanwhile, a scuffle has broken out between the supporters of both the parties following the slogans of the parties. Now, the police have to resort to lathi charge to also control the situation. These are the latest visuals of the incident of the violence that has been reported in Barakpur, West Bengal, where we saw as to how both the BJP and TMC workers have clashed here. Let's go across to my colleague Anuj. Now, Anuj, we are getting to see another visual of violence in Barakpur, West Bengal. Please share more.
Well, exactly, these are the visuals coming in from Barakpur now, and this is what we have been told, that the TMC workers and the Bharatiya Janata Party worker clashes which happened there, and we have to wait for more confirmation what exactly is the situation at this point in time. But the violence is again something which could be clearly seen from the poll-bound state of West Bengal. Let me tell you, today itself it has been stated that just before the second phase of the election, which is one of the most important phase of the election of West Bengal, 144 has been already imposed in Nandigram. But these are the visuals coming in from Barakpur. Barakpur, let me tell you, is the area of Arjun Singh. Like, he is the Lok Sabha MP from Barakpur. And earlier in the day also we were reporting some kind of clashes coming in. And now these are the visuals coming in from Barakpur. Let me tell you that Arjun Singh himself has came out with a tweet where he stated about a factory, about an arms factory, and where the crude bomb was recovered. And now these are the visuals. Fresh violence could be clearly seen in the poll-bound state of West Bengal, and the area is Barakpur. Yes.
All right, so these are the latest visuals on the screen right now coming in of violence in Barakpur, West Bengal. BJP and TMC workers clashing at Barakpur. The BJP candidate Chandramoni Shukla and TMC's candidate, that is Raj Chakrabarti, had went to submit their nominations at the administrative building there. And meanwhile, a scuffle broke out between the supporters of both the parties following the slogans of the parties, and the police had to resort to lathi charge to control the situation. These are the latest visuals of violence that we are witnessing in Barakpur, West Bengal, a day ahead of the second phase of the polling as well. Also, Anuj, if you can share more on what kind of preparations have been made underway in the state of West Bengal. We do know that Section 144 has been implemented in Nandigram as well and various other parts. Please share more of the arrangements. All right, we'll go back to my colleague Anuj, but we are cutting across to these breaking visuals of violence that we are witnessing in Barakpur, West Bengal, where BJP and TMC workers yet again have clashed, this time at Barakpur. The BJP candidate Chandramoni Shukla and TMC's candidate, that is Raj Chakrabarti, had went to submit their respective nominations at the administrative building.